1, 2, 3, 4.
Open up your heart, make a brand new start. Fill it up with love, let the hate depart. Look down in your soul, find that brand new goal. Let the love flow in, let the change begin. We're only here on this earth a while, gotta realize that it's our home. Gotta take good care of it for our children and their children to come. So let's open up our hearts, make that brand new start. Let the love flow in, let the healing begin. Why on earth do we destroy the gifts Mother Nature gives to us? Pumping poison in the air and in the seas that are given to us for free. Your heart, make a brand new start. Fill it up with love, let your hate depart. Look deep down in your soul, find that brand new goal. Let the love flow in, let the healing begin. We're only here on this earth a while, need to understand that it's our home. Need to take special care of her for our children and their children and their children to come. So open up your heart, open up your heart. It's easy. Open up your heart, make a brand new start. Real good place to start. Let the love flow in. Open up your heart, let your love flow in.